name is Cheryl. I am the candle coach. I'm known for that over there on Facebook. It is trademarked. I'll go into another video of why I trademarked it, but right now I had someone ask me a question, and you'll see me also. I love to wear t-shirts because I'm always playing in wax. So this shirt says CAU Mom. I had 2 kids that graduated from Clark Atlanta University at the same time on the same day, which means one got a bachelor's and one got a master's. So they're almost doctors right now. In the name of Jesus, thank you. But anyway, let's get to it. The person asked me, candle making is a very saturated market. Can I still make sales selling candles? The answer is yes. It's two to three different ways. The first way I would say is social media. People don't like to hear this part, but I make money every day off of social media. And the only reason I probably will still always touch sales on the sales side of coaching, because I want to be able to tell you from my experience how the customer reacts. It starts on your personal page. People don't like to hear this. You already have an audience. You're already entertaining people. The only thing is you're being nosy versus being educational, motivational, inspirational, and then a product. Motivational, educational, inspirational, product, and a little bit about your family. On your personal page, think of it more so like a business. You will not go to work and just come in there, bust in my door and say F you, or come in there playing some loud music. Or come in there and just start, well, you might depend on who my employees are. You know, just showing, come to work, don't come to work, and you got the whole news on your shirt. I don't want to see that as a customer. You're doing it for yourself. I think sometimes you got to strategically move yourself out of the way just a little bit and think of your audience. Social media has changed. 2008, 2009, it was when Zuckerberg first created Facebook. It was for friends and family. It is to a certain extent. It changed, and you can see it change, because if you look at a video, every 3 videos is a sponsored ad. So now we have switched it to money. The problem is y'all haven't switched it to money. So which means you can sell your products. Give me, and I say this because I'm a coach, give me about 5 reels, 3 to 5 reels per day. Not just a candle just like this. Give me a voiceover. You don't necessarily have to be in a video like me, but do something lighting the candle. Show me how it lights. For example, because y'all know I like to do my commercials. Hi, today I have lit, let me just, I don't want to use that light, but let's just say I'm going to use a pen. Today, this is our, I don't even know what candle. I miss peppermint and lime. This is our peppermint and lime candle. It smells amazing. This is one of the scents that I have never heard of, but I did Google it and it is out there. And what I did was mix a little bit of peppermint and a little bit of lime. It smells sensational. You see how the wick is? I do have the heater on, so that's why my wicks are moving, because it's a little chilly over here in the Netherlands. But usually my wicks are like this. But this is my commercial. So I would explain to them what the candle is, what fragrance it is. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Let me know how it smells. I cannot smell it myself. You are my person. If you're not going to be in the video, it's kind of hard. You have hands, you could kind of use your hands a lot. But I do suggest this, eye-to-eye contact. Because I could come on here and do a talk, but you would prefer to see me, not my hands. I'm connecting with you based on eye-to-eye contact. The other option is, if you don't want to do that, you may have to jump off of social media. That means getting on Etsy. There's a black Etsy called Miiriya, Miiriya. I will link it below. Maybe eBay, Poshmark. I have sold on all of these. I'll look back at my notes. I'm going to drop all the ones that I've sold on, and then probably a couple of influencers. There is a way to do it, but with the influence, there's a certain way. So I'll probably do a video on that as well. But basically, you can make it, but you have to be different. My different and your different should not be the same, which means to wait. Let's say I post on my personal page or my business page or my Instagram or my TikTok. I happen to go viral for that item. Back in the day, we didn't have this much viral stuff, but today we do. I don't know if people just live their lives on social media, but social media is a hot topic right now. So if I happen to go viral, you did a candle just like, because what happened is people doing candles exactly like this in the same jar with the same lid. We looking like twins. If I happen to go viral with this and you got it, there's going to be a problem. Now you're going to seem like a fraud. Now you shook. because people are going to be like, oh my gosh, because I did it and I got bullied. I'm telling you a true story. But I wasn't selling it. I just showed it to the people because of my grandson or whatever. But anyway, be different, but not different exactly like somebody else. Because this could go viral. And then people will go, when yours come up, or let's say I did it first and yours happened to go viral, I'm going to be a little jealous. Okay, I'm going to be honest. We all human. But they're going to be under the comments, you stole that. You stole that from Cheryl. So try to be different, but in your own way. So also try to make sure your labels. The first thing we see when we go in a store, forget you made candles. Forget you're a candle maker right now. The first thing you did was look at the candle. I'm on aisle, let's make up an aisle, aisle 10 in Marshall's, TJ Maxx, excuse me, or Target. And I go and look at the candles. The first thing I'm going to look at is the label. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. The second thing I'm going to do is take and smell it. This smells good. Now, depending on my pockets, I'm going to decide whether or not I purchase it. So I'm going to look at the bottom because usually that's where the price is at. $99.95. Okay, I'm going to get this because this is cute and I deserve it and I enjoy myself. So depending on how the customer feels, depending on how their finances are, but people will sacrifice for what they want and they will purchase what makes them feel good. Give me, what problem am I solving also with your candles? What problem are you solving? This would be a gift. I'm solving a problem of a gift. Caramel macchiato. I have a best friend, her birthday's coming up, and she loves caramel macchiato by Starbucks. This makes a great gift. I'm solving a problem. The customer does not have to leave their house. They can go and order it or go pick it up in the store because I'm in a retail store as well. So if they do that, I'm solving a problem because I'm saving them time. I'm shipping it out for them, and their friend is going to love it. Number one, because it's different. You got to be different. Number two, once you're on those platforms, for the love of sales, please have insurance. I will probably do another video on that. The main popular ones is like Liberty Mutual. Call Liberty Mutual and tell me you want to get candle business insurance. They're going to give you an underwriter. Hiscox. I'm on Hiscox. And I'm probably on Next and don't know it, but they're probably taking money out of my account. I got to check. But those are the two that I just have two, and that's only because I haven't had time. But before I sent out a candle, I would have insurance. I know what people said, but even when I first started and I was doing a class for free, I had insurance before I shipped it out. It's for the safety. We're playing with chemicals, we're playing with fire, and you just, God forbid, nothing's going to happen in the name of Jesus. But what I'm saying is you just want to be safe. Number